Today I'm taking care of some spring outdoor projects. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Hashtag Spring Outdoor Projects 2024. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Show me what spring projects you're working on. Please include the hashtag in the titles of your videos. Hashtag Spring Outdoor Projects 2024. I look forward to seeing what you're doing. There's always some type of spring project that needs to be done around here. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Enjoy. Hopefully I get some germination in these Ziploc bags. I ran out of my milk jug, so I thought I'd use some Ziploc bags. A ton of wood here on our property that we need to burn down, so I'm going to be working on that. This is my Hori Hori knife that I received from Kay Renee's garden. Thank you, Kay. Maybe just a little bit more. Okay, I'm just fluffing it up a bit. I mean, it's already fluffy, but sometimes when it's just sitting in those bags, sometimes some of the pieces clump up, and loosening them up a bit so I can get ready to plant up this container here. I did have this container over on the other side where the dogs reside, but I had to move it because they just trashed the entire yard. They would not let me be great over there. So I'm like, you know what? You don't want nice things over there? I'll bring all my nice things back over here on the garden side and I'll plant it up and do something real cute. Take that doggy bone and smoke it. It is 78 degrees out here and mostly sunny. I moved like 4 of these bags up here and I had 2 left to go. I was so tired. I'm thinking, I have a whole strong son in the house. So I called him for some help. I don't know why I try to do everything by myself when I have help. One of my weaknesses, asking for help. Trust me, if I ask you for help, I really, really need it. Ooh, marshmallows. That's a good idea, son. You barely burnt the thing. I like a nice hard burn on mine. I like mine black. Burn that thing, man. I like them nice and charred. Oh, wait a minute, keep it still. Yeah, that's how I like it, all the way around. And then when you bite into it, you bite into that ooey gooey goodness. Hi, Nala. Hey, girl. Hi, my Coda. Hey, Delta. Hey, Delta. Hi, Eden. Hey, Eden. Hey, girl. Hey, Eden. All right, so I was able to get this bed cleared out. It's way too low. I need to raise the soil level. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this bag and get it filled up. Now this is all a result of using logs to fill up your raised beds. As the logs, leaves, branches break down, so will the soil level. Therefore, I'm topping it off. I bought 6 bags of soil and I've been using it to fill up some of my containers, and I still didn't get enough. I kind of knew that though, but I'll have to make another run. I can get 1/2 done, but the other half is going to be low. I'll just focus on this 1/2. I won't worry about this one. I'll get more soil. In order to top off this bed, I've got to pull up all of these plants in here as well. It's a lot of work, but it's coming together. And once I get it all done, it's going to be really nice. These are my, oh, this is garlic. But I gotta get it out of here. All right, the sun is setting and I'm all done. Let me show you what I did. Okay, so I ran out of soil, so I couldn't do the other half here. But what I was able to do is this. Here are my mustard greens. Here, 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 and here. Collard greens, collard greens, collard greens, collard greens. I'm not sure what this is. I planted something, I have no clue. Swisschard, swisschard, collard greens, garlic, garlic, garlic. More collard greens here, here, and here. And here, those are collards as well. These are my pansies. Pansies or violas. I always get those two confused because they look so much alike. And I love the flowers in here. It really brightens up the bed there. It looks so good. I'm so happy. And did I get everything? Ornamental kale. This overwintered well. Provided lots of color this winter in the garden, which was really nice. And this is a little compost container I have in here. So when I was cleaning up some of the leaves, I just dump it in here with a little soil and I'll let the rain water it. I have holes at the bottom so that the nutrients leach out into the raised bed. And I have a second one here. Yeah, so I'm getting these beds together. In the tan containers, these are my herbs for the Plant a Herb Garden Challenge. We have to grow 10 herbs, and these are they. I'm also doing winter sowing in milk jugs. And so eventually, I will be removing the plants from the milk jugs, and they will go either into the ground or these raised beds. And the herbs here, I will find a new home for them so that this frees up my space. This frees up garden space, so I'll be able to plant some other things here. So the other raised bed back there, I will be doing pretty much the same. I'm feeling accomplished, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. After the sun went down, I decided to come outdoors and give you guys a little nighttime view. My solar lights are lit up. It's pretty, right? If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.